Hello everyone, my name is Atif Nakudin, number metric 247992. I would like to present about 3 mobile applications that relate to dyslexia student. The application name are Dyslexia Therapy Apps, iGames and Kid Dialects. Dyslexia Therapy Apps is an Android app developed specifically for dyslexic children. This app aims to attract dyslexic children to recognize A to Z and different basic shapes such as round, triangular, and rectangular. This is main interface. When we enter the app, only simple icon were placed on the interface such as close button, start button, information button, and you also can disable and enable music here. This is information page and scoreboard that will show total mark. When we select start button, it will show several buttons of game here. Let me show you 2 types of game for example. This is game shape. User need to drag the shape into the blank space that have same shape. Pop-up will be displayed if user put the shape into the wrong place. For alphabet games, user just need to choose the correct answer. This small balloon icon shows on how many questions are there. When user finish the task, the score will be displayed at the end of the game. User also can check their total score at the scoreboard button at home. In my opinion, the alignment of font in the app is sharp, not too messy, and neatly arranged. This app have a good tone of color between font and background, and I bet user also can understand easily the relationship between the element. We can see the weight of the element on both half of the design is even. For the contrast, this app use suitable font and background color, so then user know where to read first. The bad thing on this app is when the app has been closed or open another task, the music still can be here. And it also don't have a back button on the tutorial page. So my suggestion to improve this app is fix the bug on memory games because the picture on the task being dragged to home interface, just like the pictures that I have shown. Second app is iGames. iGames are a fun way to help the brain make connections regarding pictures, letters, shapes, and background. With more than 200 exercises to choose from, these are games that can be played by absolutely anyone. It can help to test the theory about dyslexia and help with reading disorder, brain injury recoveries, and much more. The games are chosen based upon age level. Kids as early as 3 years old can begin using the games, and it can help to improve visual perception. With more than 200 exercise games to choose from, it will be a way to keep kids interested for longer periods of time. As they master different games, they can move up to the next age level and continue to identify pictures. The background change, making it more complicated, which can also help them to spend a little bit more time to identify the shapes or letters to ensure that they are choosing correctly. This page will pop up when user done the test. Good design about this app, we can clearly see the font at the interface. This app also well balanced because it is not too much icon and simple idea of arranging the icon. While the bad design is, the icon is too big to fit the icon in the column. Some icon did not relate to the description. The text while in the game is too small and too simple fonts. The position of the instruction is not suitable. My suggestion to improve the apps is adding some colorful background on the interface. Make the icon on the interface a little bit smaller, and background in the game look too messy. Adjust the opacity of animal shadows. The third game is Kid Dialects. This app was also designed especially for the kids who are having the dyslexia. This app provides sound when user click on any button. When the user choose alphabet, there were several alphabet can be selected. This is an example of button that you have selected. You will be directed to the page and display the alphabet that you have chosen. When the user selected let's write, user will be directed to the page which they can draw the alphabet. Page of numbers button. User just only can click the provided button and hear the sound of number. Then, this page will pop up after you finish all tasks in every button. The good design of this app is, the tasks were arranged neatly and organized. User can understand where they need to read first. And every single button has sound, very helpful for the children that cannot read. While the bad design, the font is not suitable. The pictures in the task do not balance since too many pictures were added, and not important painted in the background. The suggestion for this app is, the app need to use suitable font. Adjust background to more cheerful color and vanish the unnecessarily drawing element, and add more level in the task. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.